Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this book box with this part open. So yeah, and I have cut all these out, so let me explain that which parts that you need to cut. So first, yeah, because these are the layering pieces, so these are the basic piece. And I'm going to do a cowboy theme, so I use the blue one. So for this piece, this top part, you'll need to cut the big frame in 3 times because I want to make it more sturdy. So yeah, see here, this is very sturdy. So I'm planning to use 2 pieces of this one to make the front and 1 piece to make the back side. So that's why I cut 3 pieces of this big frame. Then for this piece, this is the binding piece, and I cut it 1 time here. And then for these 2 pieces, I cut it 2 times. So I cut it 2 times. And then for this inner box, I cut the bottom piece, so the small frame, with 1 time to make the bottom because there is no need to make the top, right? And then I cut these 2 both 2 times. So this is the shorter side, I cut it 2 times. And then this is the longer side that I also cut it 2 times for these. And because I also want to make a pocket at this part, so I cut this size part for an extra time. See, this part fit here perfectly, so I'm going to make a pocket here, so I cut it 1 more time. So this is how these basic dies. And for the inner die, for the layering pieces, you just need to cut the relative pieces for all these decoration parts. Yeah, so let's get started. So let's also take out the pieces to make the drawer part first. So this is the piece, and these are the size piece. So that's folding around all the folding lines first. Okay, now adding glue on these parts and stick them to the bottom of the drawer part. So that is going to be the inner box of this book box. And now let's also stick these parts together. And now let's add in the layering piece for this part. So only adding for one side of it. Because we are going to push this part inside, so this part will not see. So yeah, it's okay that we don't add layering piece on this part. And we also can add a layering piece at the bottom, just to decorate your box. Okay, so let's make it like so currently. And then let's do the top box part. Let's take 1 piece here and these 2 pieces. And first, we can add the double-sided tape on top. So just make sure that this piece don't add the double-sided tape, and also this piece don't add the double-sided tape because they are going to be flat inside. So yeah, we also first fold all the folding lines and then add the double-sided tape on top. So I have added the double-sided tape on both sides, so you can see that they are, see this part I don't add the tape, and this part I don't add the tape. See here? So it's like this. And yeah, that's adding it on the bottom side. So it's like this. And now we take this spine part and also folding it along the folding line. And yeah, we can also add the double-sided tape here. Yeah, because it's faster. And now let's curl it a little bit. And now stick the bottom part here. Okay, now we do the same as the previous tutorial video that, yeah, we take off all these tapes, and yeah, just glue it on the spine. So yeah, stick them one by one. Okay, it's ready. So easier, right? You know, if I use it with the glue, then yeah, it will be forever for me to finish this part. But using the tape is just so easier. Okay, let's do the same to this part. And now let's add the top piece here. So yeah, make sure that it's it's folding from this part. Just fold back, make it fold back. So it's like this. And now that's adding another piece at the bottom, just to close, because then it how to say that? So we need another piece, layering piece here, just to hide this glue flap part. And this is the part here. See, we need to push this part to the very end. Just it will be better to close your box. And you will not see this part here. So like if you put it here, see, you will see this gap here, right? So we need to push this box to the inside, to the very end, then it will look like this. See here? Then you will need to cut this piece off. So see, here is an angle here, right? So we need to cut this angle off. And also cut this angle off. Actually, I should cut this angle off before I glue these two parts together. But because I made this box like about half a month ago, and I know I need to cut this part off, but I don't know how to measure it, because in centimeters it's just a little less than 1 centimeter, and it's very hard to tell it in inches. So yeah, I was thinking that yeah, I cut it in this way. So I put it together and then I will know where to cut it. Then I cut it in this way. And yeah, when I cut this, then I realized that I remembered that, yeah, when I first made the example, I cut this angle part off, but yeah. Please forget my bad memories. I totally forget about that when I was making this second one. So yeah, it's like this. So you push this to the inside and yeah, when you cut this angle part off, and yeah, see here, you can glue this part to the inside of your box. So yeah, it looks like this. And then we can add the layering pieces for the inside. So the inside part is almost ready and it will look like this. And yeah, another tip for me is that you can layer this, you can stick these two long sides. You can stick the layering pieces for these two long sizes first. Yeah, just stick it first before you're pushing it inside. In this way, it's better for you to glue your layering pieces on top. Yeah, so that is the tip. And then for these two pieces, you need to glue it, yeah, just after you put this part inside. In this way, you can hide the glue flaps of these two parts, right? Yeah, so that is a tip. And I'm so sorry that I didn't make it in a better way. Yeah, because I totally forgot about that. I was doing it when I made the first example, and then yeah, after half a month, I totally forgot about that. And I'm so sorry for it. Next time, I will definitely make the tutorial as soon as I finished my first examples. Then I will remember every single detail that you need to pay attention to. I'm so sorry for that. And yeah, this is look in this way. So then we can put this part here. So as you all have another piece of it like this, right? So yeah, we can add the layering pieces on top first. And then since we are going to make a pocket here, so we can first, add the pocket here. And now I'm adding the layering piece on top. And now let's can glue this part here. And we can add the layering pieces for the sides part and also for the rest part. So this box is finished and we can decorate the top piece. And when you open it, it looks like this. And if you want to make your box just more, in a better looking, you can then also add hot glue at this piece here. So this piece here, then it will stuck even better than this one. So yeah, it looks like this. And then we can, yeah, I was thinking of adding this piece here. I think he's so cute. So this is the, let me see. Yeah, this is the cowboy cactus die that I used. I just used this piece. What I did is, yeah, just let me show you. So I only used this part. See here, so I first glue these two pieces together. And when I glue this head part, I only add a stick on this piece and this piece and this bottom piece. For this piece, I didn't add it because I want to put this part like so. See here, I put it inside like this way. So like he's wearing the hat, but in this way, then there will be extra pieces here. So then I use this one just to make a mark here and then fussy cut this extra part off. So it will look like this. And then I add the sunglasses. I add the glasses. So this glasses is from so it's this die set from the December release last year. So I think he turns out very cute. And for the hat part, I also added the cow print from the cow hat mini album set. I used 2 here just to decorate his hat. So it looks like this. And yeah, I can put it on the top. And I think, yeah, this part fits here very great. So like this. And I also made these two that I showed in the previous video. So for this two, see here, for this one, I didn't trim the extra part. So look, she's so tall, right? So it's like she's a very tall cactus. And then I also add the sunglasses from that set. So it looks like this. And for this one, I trimmed the extra part off. So it looks like this. So it's like a tall cactus and a lower cactus. I think it's very fun. And I put the Let's Go Girls on top. And I think it turns out very cute. Yeah. So this is the cactus. And yeah, so this is the one that I'm going to finish. And I think it's very fun. So hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, hope I make everything clear. If you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.